Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Today I am keeping it simple: what stands out, what to check, and who the kitchen upgrade is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. 4-in-1 air purifier table design combines an air purifier, coffee table, RGB ambient light, and wireless charger. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Smart ecosystem air management. Hub 2 required automatically adjusts purification when paired with SwitchBot CO2. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Quiet sleep mode and adjustable fan speeds. Enjoy clean air quietly at 20 dB in sleep mode, perfect for bedrooms or. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are kitchen helper, time saver, and easy routine. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. According to one shopper who bought it full content visible, double tap to read brief content. My simple verdict: the kitchen upgrade looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.